Are you ready to host the perfect Easter gathering, but don't know how to set your table in a way that wows your guests? Imagine creating a beautiful, festive Easter table that looks straight out of a magazine, without spending a fortune. Whether you're going for an elegant look, a rustic farmhouse vibe, or a fun setup for kids, I'm sharing 10 amazing Easter table setting ideas that will transform your holiday dining experience. Stick around, because I'll also share one simple trick to make any table setting look effortlessly high-end.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I create a classic Easter table setting? A traditional Easter table setting is timeless and elegant, with soft pastel colors and delicate floral accents. One way to achieve this is by layering pastel-colored dinnerware on a white tablecloth and adding a soft linen napkin for a classic touch. Another elegant touch is placing a floral centerpiece with tulips, daffodils, or lilies in a glass vase to bring freshness to the table. Finally, adding gold or silver flatware, along with crystal glassware, elevates the setting and makes it feel more refined. Love this classic look? Like and share this video to inspire more Easter hosts. How do I create a rustic farmhouse Easter table setting? A rustic farmhouse table setting brings warmth and charm to your Easter gathering. One simple way to achieve this look is by using a burlap or linen table runner as the base, which adds a natural and cozy feel. Another rustic touch is placing mason jars filled with wildflowers or faux greenery as the centerpiece for an effortless farmhouse vibe. For a creative addition, use small wooden slices as charger plates and write guests' names on them for a personal and stylish touch. Love farmhouse-style decor? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite Easter decorating style. What are some elegant Easter table napkin ideas? Napkins may seem small, but they make a big impact on your Easter table setting. One of the easiest and most stylish ideas is folding pastel-colored napkins into bunny ears and placing them in each guest's plate for a fun and festive look. Another elegant touch is using napkin rings with floral accents, such as mini tulip bouquets or faux greenery, to add a fresh spring element. If you're feeling creative, wrapping linen napkins with twine and attaching a personalized Easter tag adds a beautiful handmade touch. Want more creative Easter ideas? Check the description for more inspiring table decor tips. What's the best way to personalize an Easter table setting? Adding personal touches makes your Easter table feel more inviting and special. A great way to do this is by creating personalized place cards with guests' names written on mini Easter eggs or small wooden tags. Another fun idea is placing a small personalized Easter treat bag at each seat, filled with chocolate eggs or homemade cookies. If you want something truly unique, write a short Easter message or blessing on small scrolls and tie them to each guest's napkin for a heartfelt touch. Love these DIY personalization ideas? Subscribe for more creative Easter decorating tips. How can I make an Easter-themed centerpiece? A show-stopping centerpiece ties the entire Easter table setting together. A great option is filling a glass bowl or vase with painted Easter eggs, moss, and small LED fairy lights for a magical glow. Another fun idea is placing a wooden tray in the center of the table and arranging candles, bunny figurines, and fresh flowers for a layered and elegant look. For a kid-friendly approach, create a DIY Easter basket centerpiece filled with chocolate eggs, plush bunnies, and small decorations that guests can take home as favors. Want to recreate these centerpieces? Check the description for a list of affordable decor finds. How can I set up a kid-friendly Easter table? If you're hosting little ones, setting up a fun and interactive Easter table is key. One idea is using a pastel-colored paper tablecloth that kids can draw on with Easter-themed crayons. Another way to keep them entertained is placing mini baskets filled with small toys, stickers, and Easter treats at each seat. For a festive look, Decorate each kid's plate with a fun Easter bunny or Chic-themed napkin fold that makes mealtime extra exciting. Want more kid-friendly Easter ideas? Check the description for fun DIYs and Easter crafts. How can I create a chic and modern Easter table setting? If you love sleek and stylish decor, a modern Easter table setting is perfect for you. Start with a monochromatic color scheme, such as white and gold or soft pink and silver, for a clean and elegant aesthetic. Another modern approach is using minimalist decor, such as a single tall vase with fresh tulips or orchids as a statement centerpiece. To add a contemporary touch, use matte black or metallic cutlery and pair it with stylish glass chargers for an ultra-chic finish. Want more modern table setting ideas? Check the description for my top styling tips. What are some budget-friendly Easter table setting ideas? Decorating for Easter doesn't have to be expensive. A great way to save money is using Dollar Tree plates, napkins, and chargers in pastel colors for an affordable yet beautiful setup. Another budget-friendly hack is DIYing a centerpiece by painting Dollar Tree plastic eggs and placing them in a thrifted bowl for a chic yet inexpensive look. If you're on a tight budget, using fresh flowers from your own garden or grocery store instead of expensive floral arrangements is a great way to add elegance for less. Want to see more affordable Easter decor? Check the description for my best budget-friendly decorating finds. Creating a stunning Easter table setting is easier than you think, and with these 10 Easter table decor ideas, you can impress your guests with a beautiful and festive setup. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for even more Easter decorating inspiration. Happy Easter and happy decorating!